everyone, welcome back. Today we are doing a tutorial on natural but fuller brows, and we are using all Flormar products. So let's get started. So the first thing we'll be doing is brushing out the eyebrow just to make sure that all the hairs are going all the same direction. And then next up we'll use a eyebrow primer. This is the Flormar eyebrow primer, brow fixer and styling pencil, and we'll be just running that through the brow to prime the eyebrows for the next step. After we've prepped the brow, the next step is going in with a eyebrow pencil, and this one is the eyebrow pencil in number 401, which is the lightest pencil. And I'm just gonna basically fill in the sparse areas and shape the brow. After we've done a basic fill with a pencil, the next step to add a bit more definition, I'll be using the eyebrow liner, and this is in 04 light brown. And after creating the hair-like strokes, you can just brush out the brow again to make sure everything is nice and blended. And if you want to go a bit further in completing the brow, you can use a brow powder just on the tail of the brow just to fill it a bit more in if you need it. Otherwise, you can leave it as is. And also what you can do to make it a bit more Instagram worthy, you can take a concealer and carve your brow out to make sure it looks perfect. And to finish up the brows, you can use a shimmery eyeshadow on the brow bone just to give that extra pop of highlight.